In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right MLB app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, to get the right MLB app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store. So once you get this app, go ahead and tap on it. And from here, you should see this search bar. Go ahead and search for your app, or if you can't see this search bar, just go down below and you should see a search icon. Now I'll go ahead and search MLB like this, and then go ahead and search. And from these apps, you can see we have MLB app is here. Make sure it is from MLB Advanced Media LP. And at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.3 with over 231,000 reviews. The file size is averagely 34 MBs currently, and it has over 10 million downloads. I know by the time you're watching this, these figures might have gone up. To get this, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of MLB app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open here, or if you go back to your apps, now you should be able to see MLB app here. Go ahead and open it, and this is the welcoming interface, and here is the home screen. So go ahead and log in or create your account to get started. So that's how you can install the right MLB app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.